Hey, what's up, guys? And thanks for tuning in. Today we have an interesting product by the Angelhalo company, which is the Smart Wall Sconce, or you can call it Smart Wall Lights. Now, this is the larger 14 lights version. You can also get the smaller one, which comes with 7 lights. This has so many features. It even works with Google Assistant, Amazon Echoes, and you can also sync it up with music. In this video, we're going to unbox, set it up, and review this Smart Wall Light by the Angelhalo company right after this. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. And here is everything that's unboxed. You have your user manual, a remote control, your power supply, also included are anchors and screws in case you wanted to mount it up that way, and some extra 3M adhesives. I'm going to use the 3M adhesives instead of the anchors and screws. And here are the 14 lights. At the bottom, as you can see there, the 3M adhesive, each and every one has it. Again, that's how I'm going to install this. But look at these lights. They're very interesting looking. Even has a premium feel to them. And these can also rotate, as you can see, depending on how you set it up. So if you wanted to shine in a different angle, you can easily do so. Now, speaking of installations or setting this up, it's going to be quite simple. All you do is just, again, remove this backing and adhere it to the wall. Then again, you can angle this how you want it and just shape it into the design that you would like. Once you're done there, plug it in, and then you're ready to go. Now, look in the manual, you're going to see this QR code for the Luminary app. You just need to install this either on iOS or Android. And once you install this, you will connect it to the app and then set it up from there. And again, it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. If you're from the D, you know exactly what this view is on this art. But when I install this, I'm going to start here, work my way up here, and do like a zigzag. Work my way around, and then work my way around here. But again, you have the flexibility to design this in any shape or pattern that you like. And that's pretty much it. Now, does the lighting and everything have to be perfect? No, it does not. When you put the lights on, that's when the real abstract lighting takes place. So last thing I need to do is to go ahead and give it power. And right here where you see my finger wiggling, I'm going to plug it into that and then plug it into the wall. Then that's when we're going to see the magic take place. After powering it up, as you can see here, it's flashing slowly. That's because it's ready to be synced or paired with the Luminary app. I'm going to go ahead and do so. It's very simple. Again, download the app. After going in the app, you're going to see how easy it is to get this synced up. You first need to, of course, set up an account. Once you have all that set up, go through and go ahead and add it. And there you go. You see that yellow light? That means it's successfully connected. And you can also see it in the app. You can see that check mark. And you should be good to go. You can rename it to whatever you want. And now I'm inside the app. How cool is that? So I can change the colors. As you can see, is red. I can do individuals. Let's see. You can see how it's switching up. So dope. So of course you have the power button. That option right there, the light bulb. Option, or the first option, and that's where we were earlier. And I went over here, which is that second one. And you have all these different scenes you can choose or different patterns. It's so dope. I mean, look how long that list is. What's really cool about this option here, which is music sync. Get a little closer so you can see it. The way it's going to vibe to your music. You can choose it right here. Let's test it out. So I'm going to choose Passion. Now, as I talk, as you can see there, it's responding to my voice, or the bass of my voice. How cool is that? Let's choose another one. The lights are flashing according to my voice in that pattern that I selected, which is called Happy. Let's try one more before we play some actual music. So this is called Soft. So again, I'm talking and you can see it's reacting to the sound of my voice. How dope is that? Now let's play some music and see how this really reacts. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and test out one more, which is called Brisk. I have that selected. Let's play some music. Here we go. Now, I think that's so cool. The last mode or option they have here is a timer. So if I go here, you can create a timer if you want it to run for a certain amount of time or cut on for a certain amount of time. You can go ahead and hit the plus button here and then create that time schedule. Pretty dope. Now let's go ahead and give the Google Assistant a test. Hey Google, turn office wall light on.
Sure, turning the office wall light on.
Full of features at a good price, and it would change any wall to an awesome design, just like we have here. So there you have it. Very simple setup, so many features, and I think this is an awesome product. Now, if you're interested in purchasing the Angelhalo Smart Wall Light, then of course use the link in the description section of my video. But this completes my unboxing, setup, and review for the Angelhalo Smart Wall Lights.